Hey Barry, I am going to do a little video here to explain this patio cover to get an estimate for some fabrication and materials. So this is a 3D rendering of it, and I can go through this piece by piece if you want to make some notes for sizing to give us an estimate. So this is the overall layout. These are 6 by 6 columns with maybe a 1/2 inch or 3/8 plate on the bottom. And we need about a 3/4 inch hole for bolts coming up out of the concrete footings, and those are obviously welded to the base. The tops of these posts, 6 by 6, you can let me know what wall thickness we need, but the posts, the tops would be sealed off. And then these horizontal columns could be open, and they would be welded in place on site, as well as these. This would just be material cut to length and delivered and welded in place. And then all of these guys, which are 2 by 4, same thing, just material cut to length. So fabrication from you guys would essentially just be these columns, welding the top and putting this foot plate on with the holes. For sizes, each one of these columns, 6 inch by 6 inch, 10 feet tall, 4 of those. 6 by 6, 186, 2 of those. These members, 198, 6 by 6, 2 of those. And then each one of these joists, I guess, 2 inch by 4 inch, 186. And there are 8. Let me know if you need some more information. Thank you.